Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by gathering essentials: your Mashreq Neo account number, IBAN, and the full legal name on file. This speeds everything up. Once done, confirm your KYC documents are current so the bank can release Swift details without delay. Next, open the Neo app or online portal and locate account details or help. This is where you'll initiate the Swift inquiry. Make sure to record the branch name. Banks sometimes assign branch-specific Swift prefixes. Now you request the Swift code formally through Neo. Choose Secure in-app chat, Message Center, or call customer support. Explain the transfer currency and give the beneficiary IBAN and purpose so they can confirm the exact BIC variant. If the transfer uses correspondent banks, ask for intermediary bank details and any routing instructions. Also, confirm fees and outbound limits. Banks sometimes route through different BICs for specific currencies, so clarity avoids rejected transfers. Finally, you verify the Swift/BIC provided matches your branch and the currency route, because banks may use different BICs for USD versus AED. Once confirmed, send a small test transfer and monitor for confirmation. This proves the routing works. If the payment is delayed or rejected, obtain the rejection code and ask Neo to confirm the correct correspondent bank details. Escalate to a manager if needed. A single trouble.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.